Welcome back to my shopping experience, Downtown Kingston, Jamaica. So I am here trying to get some okra. Okra are going for $1,000 per pound. You heard me right, 1,000. That is crazy. And here is the golden fruit, sweet pepper. Sweet peppers are going for $900 and $800 per pound. And I am here trying my best to get half of a pound. So I am trying to find two small peppers that will weigh half pound, because the bigger ones, if I take just one of the big ones, that alone is half of a pound. And I'm trying to get different colors. So I am telling you, see that? That's gold, you all. That's gold, I tell you. The prices here, they are ridiculous. When I say ridiculous, they are ridiculous. I weighed 3 and I have to take the green one back out because it's ridiculous. That's my little higgler guy there at the stall. He was okay with me videoing him. So this is him right here telling the camera that that's Jamaica's second smallest money, $1,000. I had to mute the video because other things were in the background. Now this is the boss. This is hot pepper. $5,000 per pound for hot pepper. So when you see one person with pepper, you might not see anybody else. So this one, I filmed this one in the supermarket because the one person that you see with pepper, they don't even want you to come near their stall to video it. So I stayed away from that, from getting myself into trouble with that. But hot peppers are going for $5,000 per pound. You heard me right. And this here is the golden yellow yam, going for $300 per pound. And this is the cheapest yet, Irish potato, and they're really steel. However, they're drained, so they're dry. They're okay. So you have to pick through to find the best ones, but get all you can from this because this is the cheapest food, I tell you, here right now. Because next time when you go back to the market, it might not be like that. And sweet potato is also going for $500 per pound. And it's crazy, y'all. It is crazy. The prices are ridiculous. Onions, because of my acid reflux, I don't eat onion. You would see me cook all the time and not using onions. So what I use is scallion. And when I get to the scallion, I will tell you about that. The cabbage is also another prized possession that is going for $500 per pound. And some, if you walk around, you might get it for $450 and $450. So, as I said before, the fit of the fittest will survive. What is happening here? Because it's ridiculous. And for the people that doesn't have a job and the people that are working minimum wage, it's crazy. Then to top it all off, the rain came down and I was wetting. I was under the tarpaulin trying, and then they flipped the tarpaulin and the water were all over me, so I was screaming. And I was having fun at the same time. I wasn't mad or upset or anything like that. You know, while I was walking and viewing the different stalls and the different prices, I was also having fun. Because these days you have to make everything fun. If you don't make everything fun, you will go into depression, I tell you. Because when you go downtown Kingston and walk in the market and see all these prices, you will go crazy. That's the golden thing there, cabbage, going for 500 per pound and 450, and it's crazy. And on the other hand, you have to be trying to squeeze to find somewhere to walk because everything, it's all crowded with sellers. It's more sellers than buyers, and there is no space for you even to walk. It's really hard for you to navigate the space of downtown Kingston. It's really hard because it's packed up. It's really packed up. And let me tell you, this is the market that you call, I think this is the one you call the open land. If I should go into the market where there is a market that is covered and surrounded, like, you know, a more proper market than this, where you don't see tarpaulins but you have a building, you have a roof, man, you would want to hear the prices there. This is banana. How can those peel? Those cannot peel at all. They are young. Those are from the storm. And this is my golden season that I use, scallion. It's going for $900 and $800 per pound. These that I'm holding on to right there, I am going to plant those. While I'm making the video now, those are already in the soil. I already planted them. But here I was cleaning up the scallion to make sure I freeze them so they don't go bad. And you can see where I cleaned up. So literally half or almost half of the scallion is trash. The trash is on the right and the clean ones are on the left. So what I do is clean them, wash them, put them in a Ziploc bag, and I freeze them for them to keep me for some time. Because let me tell you, the next time I go back to the market, it's either it might be $2,000 per pound or might be there is none, you know, because it's really hard. And this is the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Please do not stop watching as yet. Continue to follow me, continue to come with me as we compare the market prices with the supermarket prices. So this is sweet pepper, again, the golden apple, and this is just one. And this is not even as heavy as the ones that I bought downtown Kingston, because those are local. These are international. So the price in the market downtown Kingston is terrible. It's bad. It's rough. But check the supermarket out. The supermarket seems to be worse. You know, everything has skyrocketed and everything is just crazy. Literally crazy. They didn't even price the hot peppers in the supermarket because they are scared to do it, because I just can imagine how much for it. So they pack them out in little bags. Look at carrots. Those are the 3 carrots there. And if you took that sweet pepper to the cashier and you don't understand to ask how much for it, you will just get a price and you get charged and you will just go home. And if you bother to check your receipt, then you will realize that you pay a arm and a leg for it. It's crazy. You all know I've been searching for sweetener and I can't. All I see is high-spin sugar, granulated sugar, and brown sugar in the supermarket. But I keep going. Look at what I eat. This is my superfood, quinoa. Look at that. It's the prices are, it's crazy. It is crazy. but I keep walking around and checking the prices, and I was really searching to find me some sweetener, because for the people who really knows me know I don't go around sugar like that. There are some things that you have to use sugar in, because to make my sorrel, which will be coming up soon, I have to use sugar. But guess what? I found a sweetener. Check the price of the sweetener out. And these are for the meat lovers, unlike me, not for me. And these are the Christmas meat. Yeah, the ham and the beef and the pork. And check the prices out. They are crazy as can be. How many people on minimum wage, with children in school, paying rent and utility bills and all of that, how many people here can buy these? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment.